Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've already put her tips on and I've already dehydrated her. I'm going in with my Young Nails primer now, Protein Bond to be specific. Now I'm going in with a purple chisel color. I am going in right where I put the tip. Right where I place her tip is where I start with that first ombre color. And I kind of just like to feather that out, blend that as nicely as possible, and I like to leave it as flat as possible. I don't want it to be too thick in that area once I apply the other color. Whenever I do an ombre, I usually like to do all the fingers that are going to have this color as the tip color. And then here I'm just blending that a little bit better. I don't want that harsh line, so just adding a little more to blend it. And then I am going in with the BB Pure. I believe this is Classic Nude, what I used on her. And this one, I'm just putting the tiniest bit of nude on her because I just need a sticky base and I just wanted that color on her nail bed. I'm encapsulating her here, so I'm taking these purple butterflies. I have two different types. I've got the big purple ones and then I have some little holographic ones. And I'm kind of using the liquid as my stickiness pretty much to pick up the butterflies and just kind of place them where I want. They can be kind of tricky because they don't want to sit down where I want them to sit down, and they want to lift up where I don't want them to lift up. So be patient. Same thing on this finger. I'm going to encapsulate it as well. So I went in with VB Beauty Pure Classic Nude first, and then I'm going to go in with my butterflies. I want to apply them while that base that I applied is still wet. That's the point, is so that it kind of dries in with the base. That way when I encapsulate her, they're not moving around on me. Just gonna grab some more. And here I'm using the same nude as the other ombre color. So you see me put that bead in and then feather that out ever so slightly. I don't want to drag too much product off. That will affect the blend, so just very, very lightly. Now these are going to be an encapsulated ombre nail. So I just kind of wet the nail a little bit, that way everything sticks very nicely to all the raised pieces. And first I want to cap that with the clear. Again, I'm wetting the nail, capping it all with just clear acrylic. And I want to make sure it gets in between all those little nooks and crannies. And then I'll go in with that same nude, and that I'm going to ombre that as well. And I want to make sure I build her apex and everything else with this clear. So you'll see me adding some more, just making sure her nail is the right thickness. I don't want these breaking on her. I'm also going to take my clear and cap all of the ombre nails as well, just to make sure that when I drill I don't lose any of the blend. And once we've done that to all 10 nails, I'm going in with my 80s file and pre-shaping her, kind of getting rid of a lot of that bulk on her sidewalls, just very gently. I get a lot of that underneath as well. Once that's finished, I go in with my T4M 5-in-1 bit to seal around her cuticle and smooth out the entire nail. Once I've smoothed all her nails out, I will go in with my buffer and really polish everything out. I want super, super smooth nails. And again, anything that I see, don't be afraid to go back in with your nail file, clean that up. If you see it, they can see it. Once we clean her off, we're going in with our eye gel top coat. I'm also wondering why I skipped the pointer. Okay, I wanted glitter. So here I added glitter. And I kind of just ombre'd that glitter out as well. I didn't do the whole nail. Now we can top coat them. So I'm just finishing that up. Same thing with the eye gel top coat. Then we cure for 60 seconds. And that's it. Voila.